In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete old subscribers and add new subscribers in Mailerlite. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know how to remove subscribers that are no longer needed and how to bring in new subscribers using either a file import or a copy and paste method. First, log into your Mailerlite account. Open your browser, go to your Mailerlite login page, and sign in using the method you normally use. As you wait for the dashboard to load, make sure you are looking at the main area where your email and subscriber tools are available, because the steps that follow depend on being in the correct account workspace. Next, navigate to Subscribers. In the menu, look for the section labeled Subscribers, and click it. This will take you to the list of people stored in your account. You can think of this area as the control center for managing your mailing list, since it is where you will delete old subscribers and also where you will prepare to add new ones. Now you will delete subscribers you no longer need. To do this, select the subscribers you want to remove. Depending on the view you are in, you may be able to tick checkboxes next to individual subscribers or select multiple entries at once. Take a moment to confirm you selected the correct people, because deletion is intended to permanently remove those subscribers from your list. After you select the subscribers, click the More dropdown. You will typically find this dropdown near the action controls for the list. Open it carefully and then select Delete. At this point, Mailerlite may ask for confirmation. If you see a confirmation message, review it briefly and confirm the deletion. This step matters because it prevents accidental removal of the wrong subscribers. Once the old subscribers are deleted, you are ready to add new ones. The simplest next action is to click Add Subscribers. This button is usually placed in the subscribers area near the top or in a prominent action bar, so it should be easy to spot. Clicking it will open the panel or page where Mailerlite collects the information needed for new entries. Then you will choose your input method. In Mailerlite, you can either import from a CSV or TXT file, or you can copy and paste subscriber data. Select Import from CSV/TXT if you already have a file prepared, or choose Copy/Paste if your data is available in a document or spreadsheet and you want to paste it directly. Next, if you selected Import from CSV/TXT, you will upload your file and then proceed to map your data fields. If you selected Copy/Paste, you will enter or paste the subscriber details into the provided area. Either way, the goal is the same. Mailerlite needs to understand which column or field represents which subscriber attribute, such as email addresses and names. Now it is time to map your data fields. Look for the section where Mailerlite shows your available columns or prompts you to match columns to fields. For example, you may see a column for email and a column for name. Map each of your data fields to the correct Mailerlite fields. This ensures that each subscriber is imported with the correct information, and it helps avoid issues like missing emails or incorrectly assigned names. Finally, after the mapping is correct, click Import to start the process. Give it a few moments to complete, especially if your CSV file contains many entries. As the import runs, keep an eye on the completion message or status update so you know the data was successfully added. And that covers everything you need to know. You can now confidently delete old subscribers and add new ones in Mailerlite, using the methods that best match your available data.